pocket.
Oops. Have my hand off the control.
Never take your hand off the control.
No. Whoops.
Bigby?
Oh, come on. Oh, yeah, that's not it for him.
Fuck, he was cut open in that
No,
drop.
no.
He ain't
Yes.
fucking dying.
Yes. Come on, get up. This is the kind of shit I've been waiting for. Tear these two fuckers apart. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh,
fuck yeah.
Fuck. I keep shooting, you brilliant bastards. Kill his fucking ass. Oh yeah. Fuck yeah, come on. Ooh, silver bullet. I'm guessing.
It was a good show. But, you know, it just didn't know when to end.